Welcome back to Mrs. B Lux, L-I-F-E. I am Sarita, and the package has finally arrived, y'all. The package has finally arrived. So we're going to get to unboxing the package that took forever to come in and then be shipped to me. So I'm just like, goodness gracious. Like, my client advisor, she ordered the item in. It had to come to the store. Then she shipped it to me. So they shipped it out Monday. Today is Friday. That's why I always ask for overnight, because what? Oh my goodness. But oh, I'm not gonna complain. But how are y'all doing? I played with the Coach bag today, trying to figure out how to decorate it. So I'll show y'all what I've done so far. I did take the little hard paper. If you watched the other video, I was struggling for my life trying to take the paper out. Yeah, I took that out already. So we're going to unbox the goodie that I bought from Louis Vuitton, well, that I ordered in and bought, and finally has arrived. And then look at this. It's been on its first cruise already. Perfect. Okay, well, they extra protected because, you know, people are starting to get to know that, you know. So let's open it. I did do my little unboxing, unwrapping of the Coach bag for TikTok, but I still didn't take everything off yet because I'm gonna do that with y'all. But I put a charm on it. Well, not a charm. I took a chain from the Cassie bag and I have it on here. So we're gonna see how it looks. Because right now that's about as decked out as it's gonna be. Come on now. How is this? I always tear the box and then I get mad with myself because I didn't want to tear the box. Okay. Y'all, it's like it took forever and a day. Plus a day, plus another day, plus another day. Oh, it's finally here though. So, this is so special to me. Just because. Let me show y'all before I open it. I know y'all like, come on here, girl. This got darn gone hell. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm waiting on my groceries. I made groceries and I'm waiting on the people to deliver it, because yeah, I made my little order. Come on, drop it at the door so I'm gonna put this stuff up. But this is my favorite bando. Y'all see what that say? It's almost Pisces season, baby. Almost Pisces season. Yes, my favorite bando. And this is my little second runner up because of the colors. So I have 3 more over there, but I'm missing like, I think 4, because y'all niece Ty. Whew, Lord. If I didn't buy the bando for you, why you got them all on your bag? This one, she was in high school, and I don't know if she gave some to her little friends or what. They just missing. One of them was leopard, and I cannot buy it again unless I go to Fashion Fountain. I ain't paying what they want on there, because I think I paid like $160 for the bando at the time I bought it. Now I think they like the lowest is $225 or $240. No. So this here is a bando, but it is a bando for 2026. I think I'm celebrating what it means a little too early, because I think that's next week, but I'm not sure. But I will show you guys, because I'm just happy to acquire it, because when she placed the order, it ended up, after I placed it, it was out of stock again. So oh God, it's perfect, y'all, because online you can't really see. It's the year of the horse. Do y'all see that? I wanted it to have red, because y'all know the interior of the lineup is red. OMG. Y'all see that? It's so pretty. Yeah, look, y'all see I done painted my one little nail green. Yep, the rest of them are painted clear. Yeah, but look at that. Isn't that pretty? Yes. So it's the year of the horse. bando. Let me see if that's what it says on the tag. On here it says BB bando LV ride away. I think that's black, but that's it. Hopefully y'all can see it. Okay, that's it. Yeah, so that's it. If you guys are trying to get it, I am so excited to finally have a bando for my bag. Let me take this one off. Let me take this one off, because I kept looking on there for something with red in it. I gotta put this back in the little heart thing, and I couldn't find anything that just said that's it right there, that's the one you need to get. No, but when I saw this one and it kept being sold out or not available, or you couldn't add it to cart or whatever, I was just like, that's how it was. But I finally have it. Okay, what side has the thing on it? Okay, let's go this way. I'll put it like this, like so. Oh my goodness. Come on, thing. Okay, then I'll tie it that way. Then I'll tie this one with the horse. O-M to the G. And I got to take a picture so I can send it to my client advisor so she can see how pretty. Oh, so pretty. You also heard that little, I guess, sound. Oh, so pretty. Yeah, that's how this is. Oh, my goodness. Perfect. Perfect. Y'all. O-M to the G to the G to the J. Okay. Y'all see that? Okay, I'm gonna have to turn it. I'm gonna have to switch it around or something. Hold on, y'all, because that's bothering me now. I got the wrong one that way. Okay, that's better. That's better. Then I gotta see. Do y'all cut off the things where it says, because I guess I'm supposed to cut, because they do have scissors there. I don't know. I don't know. But that is so pretty. Okay, look. Oh my goodness. I just love it, y'all. I just love it. OMG. Okay. Oh, goodness, that done took me out. That done took me out. Okay, that is what I wanted to show y'all. What is that? Oh, somebody just texted me. I gotta see. That is what I wanted to show y'all. But before I go, I'm going to show y'all, because I'm going to do a whole separate video on the Chelsea 30. But look, I have this side in the inside on the zipper pull. So it's connected to the zipper pull there. And it's on the D-ring on that side. But look at that. Just a little pizzazz, just a pinch. I got to figure out what else I'm going to do. But the next video, we'll take all this off, probably tomorrow, and try to decorate it and see what we're going to do. But I think that was, I just was like, okay, let me just play with this chain. And I think that's cute. That is cute. A little jazz. Just a little jazz. That's all. That's all. But this is the beauty for the night. Yes. I love it. I love the slouch on this bag, y'all. I had it with all my little stuff in it. Hand sanitizer, my wallet, my Oreo pouch. I got goodies up in there like sanitizer. I don't like nothing to be rolling around in the purse, because something get on the cotton, I'm gonna be upset. I'm gonna be upset with myself, and that don't make no sense. Oh, before I go, I got to show y'all something. I'm glad I've looked over here at it. I have to show y'all something. I meant to show it to y'all yesterday, but then once I had recorded the video and hit stop, honey, I was like, okay, next video. But what I picked up on Carnival, because I thought it was so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, let me try that again. Okay, here it is. I got a little limit. Y'all know how I am with limited edition. It just does something to me. It said limited edition. Y'all see that? Mm-hmm. Spray ground. Look at that. That is just so cute. That is so cute. And I was like, okay, what bag did I say I was gonna put this on? I don't remember. I can't put it on here. Well, I don't plan on putting it on here. But I think it was the Speedy. Yeah, I think it's the Speedy. So I'll probably do it tomorrow. But let me just show y'all how it is on here. Look at that. That is just too cute. And y'all see the clasp is a heart? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is all. That is it. And I am glad you guys are here and saw my video and saw my unboxing. I waited to share it with you guys. I hope y'all are having a fabulous day. Let me lick my lips. Let me put a little chapstick on. But I will see y'all on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share if you need to or if you feel like it. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.